Hi, it's Chris from Duffy Floors, and we're here in my workshop discussing today about customizing wood for a patch. I've got a great job up in Winchester at the old Sanborn House. It's a big old mansion that's now the Historical Society's headquarters. And they've got all different kinds of woods up there. I've taken some pictures of the floors, which I'll post. They've got some red birch, yellow birch. They've got cherry, American cherry borders, feature strips. Really some nice stuff up there. And so we've got a floor that's actually a red oak floor that's in one of the front rooms, and it had just a little bit of termite damage in the boards themselves. Had it tested for termites. Everything seems to be fine and sound with the building. Must be old damage that we're coming across now. So I've got two boards that I need to mill down, and normally it's a red oak. It shows a lot of grain in this floor, so I picked this, and this is a standard 2 1/4. But we have to mill it down to almost a little bit less than 2 inches, about 1 15/16 wide, and then we're going to what I did was I cut the board, then I re-grooved it so it would fit together nicely, because this is part of a border, and so that should go together very nicely like this. So we custom tongue and grooved it so it would fit in. Now I've got to take some of the life off of the floor, because the floor that we're patching into has had a few sandings done on it. So I'm going to use my planer here, my thickness planer, and we're just going to take a little bit off the top so we don't have too much sanding to do when we put this patch in, because it's a finished room and we're going to attempt to sand and just blend it in with some stain, and hopefully it'll go without having to do the whole room. But sometimes we can do that, and sometimes it doesn't work. But this is Chris from Duffy Floors. If you have any wood flooring needs, need some patching, if you've had some water damage this winter, which a lot of people have, give us a call. We're at 781-395-3418.